Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 15. Children, we have to write sentences on this page. Look at this, children. A bat and a ball. Listen again, children. A bat and a ball. Listen one more time, children. A bat and a ball. Children, now you have to write the complete sentence a bat and a ball in these 4 lines by yourself. You will write a bat and a ball. Look at this, children. An ant and a cat. Listen again, children. An ant and a cat. Listen one more time, children. An ant and a cat. Now say with me, children. An ant and a cat. Say again, children, an ant and a cat. Children, now you have to write this complete sentence on these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write an ant and a cat. Look at this, children. This is an egg and a hen. Listen again, children. An egg and a hen. Listen one more time, children. An egg and a hen. Children, now you have to write the complete sentence an egg and a hen in these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. A gift and a ring. Listen again, children. A gift and a ring. Listen one more time, children. A gift and a ring. Children, now you have to write the word and on this line by yourself. Read again, children. A gift and a ring. Now say with me, children. A gift and a ring. Children, now you have to write the complete sentence in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a gift and a ring. A flower and a cup. Listen again, children. A flower and a cup. Listen one more time, children. A flower and a cup. Children, we have to write the word and on this line. A flower and a cup. Now say with me, children. A flower and a cup. Children, now you have to write the complete sentence in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a flower and a cup. Look at this, children. A book and a van. Listen again, children. A book and a van. Listen one more time, children. A book and a van. Children, you have to write the word and on this line by yourself. A book and a van. A book and a van. Children, now you have to write the complete sentence in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write a book and a van. Let's read all the sentences of this page, children. A bat and a ball, an ant and a cat, an egg and a hen, a gift and a ring, a flower and a cup, a book and a van.